Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making some gluten-free cornbread, and we're going to be using this Bob Red Mill's cornbread mix. So let's get started. Alright, so to begin making our cornbread, what we need to do is empty this package into this bowl here. We have to add 1.5 cups of milk to it. 1.5 cups of milk. For those of you who don't want to use cow's milk, you can use an alternative. We need to add 2 eggs to it. We need to add 1/2 cup of butter or oil to it. Now in my case I'm using ghee. Let me get my spatula so I could scrape this down. Right. Now I'm going to add a little extra stuff to it. The recipe on the bag doesn't say that, but we're going to add some extra stuff. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to it. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to it. And we're also going to add a little bit of nutmeg to it. So this is nutmeg. This is nutmeg. Okay, so we're going to add some nutmeg to it. I'll probably show you a clip showing you the nutmeg tree. Good, so now we have to mix everybody together. Right, let me get my mixer, my electric mixer to do this. I just wanted to use the spatula to get the mound down. But we're going to use our electric mixer and mix, and mix everything together. Okay, this is really thick, and I'm afraid I make a mess. So let me go back to the spatula to mix everything together. I don't want this to spit all over the place and make a mess. Now you could bake this in a baking dish, or you could actually do it in like a muffin tin pan and make muffins. Of course, you want to preheat your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I think this is well incorporated. So I think we can add it to our baking dish. All right, so here I have my baking dish here. I put some parchment paper. So we're gonna put this in. We'll just put all in the baking dish, okay? So we're just gonna spread this out. Now we wanna bake this for about 25 minutes. All right, so we have this here, and my oven is already preheated. So we're gonna put this in the oven now, guys, and bake it for about 25 minutes. Okay, guys, so this here is a nutmeg tree. If you look over here, you'll see that there's some nutmegs growing on it. Of course, these nutmegs here are not ready. This is how the nutmeg looks when it is ready for harvesting. Okay guys, our cornbread is finished. So I'm just going to rest it in this plate here. So here we have our cornbread. I'm going to cut into it here. Let's cut into it. All right, so there you have it, folks. Our gluten-free cornbread. So at least you guys got an idea of how it is to use that the mix. You can see it here. It looks good to me. Of course, I still have to taste it because well, actually, you know what? Let me taste it now. Let me taste it now to see how sweet it is. I didn't add any extra sugar. Reason why I cannot take too much sugar. So let's try a bite here. I'll use my hand. It's still warm. For me, I think it's good. Because I wouldn't want it too sweet for me. But when you taste it, you might say you might want to add extra sugar, but it's up to you. I would not recommend you do that because sugar, taking too much sugar is not healthy. It is inflammatory, okay? But anyway, this is how the gluten-free cornbread comes out.